Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Is this the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse camera you've been dreaming of? Let's dive into the Panasonic LUMIX ZS99. Seriously, this little guy packs a punch, and it's no wonder so many people have already snagged one and left rave reviews. First off, the lens. We're talking a 24 to 720 millimeters LEICA lens with a whopping 30x zoom. That means you can go from a majestic, sweeping landscape to a tiny detail on a distant bird, all without moving an inch. Imagine capturing that fleeting moment of your kid scoring the winning goal from way up in the stands. The detail is just incredible. And the best part? This entire powerhouse fits right in your pocket. No more lugging around bulky gear. Then there's the video. If you want your memories to pop, this camera delivers with 4K video at 30p. Reliving those holiday moments will feel like you're right back there. The colors vibrant and the motion smooth. Plus, for those dramatic slow-motion shots, you can capture HD at a buttery 120 frames per second. Think of the epic water splashes or the triumphant cheers you can slow down to perfection. And shooting on the go has never been easier. The tiltable touchscreen is a game-changer, letting you get those awkward low-angle shots or high-up perspectives without straining your neck. Plus, universal USB Type-C charging means you can top up your battery practically anywhere, ensuring you never miss a beat. And sharing? Forget fumbling with cables. Built-in Bluetooth version 5.0 and a dedicated send button mean your photos and videos go straight to your smartphone in a flash. It's the definition of seamless. So, if you're tired of missing shots because your camera's too big or too slow, and you crave that perfect blend of portability and quality, if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.